Ever tried drilling through your weekend DIY projects without breaking a sweat? I got you. Meet my go-to buddy, the CRAFTSMAN 20V Cordless Drill Kit. Picture this, no more tangled wires tripping me up. With its 20V max lithium-ion battery, this baby runs like a champ all day long. Seriously, game changer. It's so light I can work above my head, even in cramped spaces, no problem at all. And that keyless chuck makes swapping bits faster than switching jeans. For just $79, why wouldn't you elevate your toolkit with this beast? Trust me, grab yours now before they fly off the shelves.